Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, June 9th, 2014. Let's jump right into the charts here. We're going to start with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are trading lower today by about 2.5 points to around 1946.5 per contract. So futures are down ticking a little bit. We should keep that on the radar today. Markets have had a big move lately on very light volume. So it's just a little bit wondersome if the markets are getting a little bit tired up here. I happen to think as long as the light volume remains, there's always a chance that the markets will scratch out a flat to slightly positive day. Light volume generally will favor upside in the stock market, not downside, so everyone should keep that on their radar. The other factor that you want to watch is always going to be dollar yen until that relationship changes. This is still very important, and today dollar yen is moving lower by about 7 cents. Now, it's not a big move lower, but when dollar yen goes down, stock market goes down. If dollar yen, as it is in this candle, starts to move higher, then the stock market will generally catch a bid or somehow hold steady and possibly even trade higher. So keep that relationship on watch. There are a lot of stocks out here. There's a little bit of a merger Monday or takeover Monday, if you want to call it. It looks like Merck, ticker symbol MRK, is buying IDEX, and ticker symbol there is IDEX, and IDEX is being purchased, I guess, for around $25 a share or something. You could check out the news yourself. I'm not really 100% sure of it, but I think they're paying, they are paying, it's coming across my news wire now, $24.50 a share. So this should just trade sideways. So again, you cannot buy IDEX, you can't short it, you don't want to do anything with it. If you own it, congratulations. It was a $7 stock on Friday. It's now worth $25.50. Trail your stop loss or take it off the table. The choice is yours. Either way, that trade is pretty much in the books. Nothing you could do there. But if you own it at 7, that's a nice way to wake up to a takeover at $24. That's pretty nice, and believe it or not, that's a nice move. All right, let's take a look at the next one here. It looks like Analog Devices, which is ticker symbol ADI, is going to purchase Hittite, which is HITT, and Hittite is being bought out as well. I believe, I'm not sure of the specifics on that deal, but I believe they're paying $78 a share in cash for Hittite. So again, if you own Hittite, not a bad one. You own it at around 59 and change, now getting out at 78. You could just trail your stop, or you could take it off the table. The choice is yours. This should just go sideways for the remainder of the day. These are two mergers or two takeovers that are taking place. And again, remember, if you own Analog Devices, you got to be prepared that this can go lower today. Generally, the company that does the acquiring will see their share price hit. So again, if you own Hittite, congratulations. If you own Analog Devices, well, you might be in it for a little bit longer, because this should start to trade lower off of that news. Now, it is official that Hillshire Farms, HSH, is the ticker symbol there, is going to be bought out by Tyson. So there's no bidding war. That's over. Hillshire Farms will be bought out by Tyson. So this should start to trade sideways at all. If you own Tyson, most of that news is already factored in. Tyson's actually upticking a little bit off of it. But a level I have for Tyson today, if it does get down there, would be around $38.25 to $38. I think that's still a pretty good level. I also really like the $32 level for Tyson Foods if that were to get hit. So two levels you have for Tyson Foods today, $38.25 to $38, and then $32, $32.10. That's just a dynamite area to own Tyson Foods, if you ask me. All right, there's a lot of news. Carl Icahn looks like he's taken a 10% stake in Family Dollar. That stock is trading higher. Believe it or not, though, we will look to trade this today in the chat room. So I have a level for this one. But it could put the other dollar stores in play. So everything dollar store related, Dollar General, that's, yeah, you can see that's already trading up. That could be in play today. I'll hopefully find some levels for that in the chat room this morning where we could trade that. And then you'll have Dollar Tree, DLTR is another ticker symbol for a dollar store related play. And right now that's trading at 57.20, closed at 55.14. That one gets to around $60. That could be a fade candidate. Maybe it's around 60.25, 60.50, but around that $60 area on Dollar Tree, that's where this stock most likely will pull back in a little bit, and keep that on your radar. As for DLTR, which is dollar DG, which is Dollar General, um, right now that's very overbought already. So again, I wouldn't look for much upside in this one at all. This one probably stalls out, probably at 63.75. Right now it's trading at 63.35. It closed at $58. So that's a very, very good move. So the Dollar General stores and all these dollar stores, they could be in play today. Keep them on the radar, and we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at Five Below, because that's a $5 dollar store. It's not. Just looking to see if there's a play there. I don't really see much there on that one, so we're going to leave that one alone. If we see it intraday in the chat room, maybe we'll look at it a little bit closer, but I don't really see a setup or a play there. One group that I am looking at morning weakness is the casino names. Las Vegas Sands stock is trading at $72.52. I do have a level for LVS, and it would be around 68.50, and then at 66.50. I love the 66.50 level, but if you're an aggressive trader, the 68.50 may give you a little bit of a bounce. Let's take a look at WYNN Resorts. Okay, and these are all scalp levels. Scalp levels, just so everybody understands, is just a day trade lasting between 10 and 30 minutes. That's all it is. If you're looking at WYNN Resorts right now, the stock's trading at 201.20, closed at 205. So that's trickling down a little bit. I don't have a great level here on WYNN Resorts, so we're going to leave that one alone. Let's take a look at MGM. MGM right now is trading at 24.50. Stock closed at 25.14. I do like MGM down around 22.80, 22.75. So if you could get that stock down at that level, there could be a good bounce there. Let's take a look at Melcro Crown Entertainment. This is MPEL. MPEL is the ticker symbol. This is trading at $31.37. There's a good level here at $30.50. So keep that level on your radar. If it gets down there, there could be a bounce play there for this stock. Another level I would watch for, we'll stick with that one, 30.55. The next level is much, much lower, but that could give you a little bit of a scalp bounce. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. There's other stocks in the news, but these are the movers of the day, and that's really all we want to focus on. We really don't care about all the other nonsense that's out here and all the stuff that's reported in the general media. We just want to know where we can make money on a trade. All right, let's take a look at gold this morning. Gold is trading up $2.40 to $1,254.90 an ounce. Let's go to the GLD, which is a good way to trade gold. You're going to see that this is trading at 120.61, so it's off the highs already. I don't really see a play on the chart. Unfortunately, we're going to have to leave this one alone today. There's not much we could do with it there. But gold is upticking a little bit on the spot price. But again, it's not giving us a setup or a pattern, and that's really all we care about. Let's take a look at crude. Light sweet crude is trading higher by 75 cents a barrel to $103.41. It's amazing that the high price of energy has not affected the stock market, but that's what easy money does. All right, let's take a look at the USO here. And what you'll see here for the USO, it's trading at $37.61, so it says. But that's basically where it closed. I have to think that if oil can go higher, I mean, you have a lot more upside here. So there's nothing negative on the chart. This was trading at $37.90 just a little while ago. It can get back up there. It could even get back up to 38 and a quarter, 38.50. But I don't even see a resistance point here worthy of trying to get in front of it. So again, little pop for oil this morning ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how that plays out. But I would not be getting short oil at this stage of the game. We'll see how this all plays out and shakes out. But again, oil is holding up very, very well. Let's just do a quick futures check. Futures are still down $2.75. That's basically where they were when we started this recording. Right now it is 8:48 in the morning. And again, I'm going to try to find one or two gap plays. There doesn't seem to be many, but we will have the Family Dollar gap play posted in the chat room at 9 o'clock. With that said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.